Welcome back to Road Reviews with your old buddy Bucho. Let's talk about the Wolverine. The Wolverine is about the time Hugh Jackman's massive pecs and charismatic scowl meet a ninja samurai girl who takes Wolverine to Japan fighting ninjas, fighting samurai, fighting snake ladies, Wolverine taking his shirt off every chance he gets. Rila Fukushima, turns out she's a pretty solid actress and she has some good fun sidekick chemistry with Hugh Jackman. Another good thing about the Wolverine is how it gives itself time to have quiet moments, it gives itself time to breathe. A lot of that breathing is down to the fact that Wolverine has the hots for Yoshida's granddaughter Mariko. It's not really a problem that he's at least 5 decades older than her, because in Japanese culture, when you have massive pecs, you're allowed to bone your old war buddy's granddaughter. There are some things I wish the Wolverine had done differently. I wish the movie hadn't flipped the switch from the cool ridiculousness of the first 2/3 to the goofy ass ridiculousness of the last act. The movie also wastes 2 potentially interesting support characters by not handling their motivations in a way which makes them really come to life. And it's a shame because those actors actually do a pretty good job, but the writing's just not there to support them. So for those first 2/3, it's really quite a solid character-based action movie. It's an 8 out of 10 movie up until it hits that final act. Once it hits that final act, it really gets pulled back to a 7 out of 10. But even that's still good enough to recommend seeing it on the big screen. So thanks for riding with your old buddy Bucho for the road review of the Wolverine. It's swords, it's claws, it's ninjas, it's samurai, it's snake ladies, it's Hugh Jackman with his shirt off. It's the Wolverine.